Alright guys, today we got BMW G20 330i oil change. See here. Okay, we're gonna let the cow a little bit, let it cool down faster. So, and for now I'm gonna let it sit like this, and I'm gonna do some coating too for coating for the interior, like basically entertainment screen, stuff like that, you know, head unit whatsoever. I'll try it. Alright, for now I'm draining up engine oil. Alright, for the oil filter I do have this kit, so I think this one gonna fit, and I do have icon, the chat, and then there should be the 27mm. So other than that, I already drained up the engine oil, so I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna replace the oil filter. Let me put back. So right now, let me put back new O-ring. So I'll put it back, new O-ring, and then so. Should be good. So the engine oil, I'm gonna use the liquid moly 530. So let me a little bit. Okay, looks like we're good. Okay. I think I already said the service. The service reset with BMWDIY with my phone, so I don't know if I still need to, let me check from here. Service liquid oil 10,000, but even though it say 10,000, I prefer the pricing at like 3,000, no more than 4,000, so which is still fine. So alright, thanks guys, that'll be all for now.